Well, this shirt certainly has seen better days. With this lockdown, I haven't been able to get appliances, get any material, but finally, we're ready to install. And I can't get a haircut. Hard to believe. All these cabinets are gonna fit right here. So I had to get to dragging everything in place, hanging my cleat. Yes, I actually use a level when I do all this. I drag my bases into place, but I don't install them right away. I use them as support to hang my uppers. This one, I hung in the wrong place. It goes on the other wall. The one that's supposed to go there is a lot heavier, a lot more fun. I'd much rather install a single door upper. This is just to show you I make everything flush, level, plumb. Normally I just cut a hole saw for each one of the pipes. But these were at different angles, there was a lot of them, so the whole back had to come out. I use a 1/8 shim spacer, keep all my reveals. Always flush and always level. Here's the island that I didn't show how I drug that in place. And finally, one more single door upper. Put the creative director to good use. Twice. Till we finally got to installing the top trim, giving it some paint, and some hardware. Had some nice thin hardware for our 90-degree drawers. It really helped with the clearance, and it looks good. All right, hardware's installed. Now, some countertops. Dishwasher. Microwave. Goes without saying, a wine refrigerator. And a stove. Check this project off as being done. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short video. Leave a comment, subscribe, give us a like, and we'll see you on our next riveting video.